गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल योगा शार्क। तो आज हम योगा करेंगे थायराइड रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम से। थायराइड एक ऐसी ग्लैंड होती है हमारे थ्रोट में। व्हेन इट स्टॉप फंक्शनिंग प्रॉपरली तो उसमें या तो बहुत ज़्यादा वेट गेन हो जाता है या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा वेट लॉस हो जाता है। सो दिस प्रॉब्लम इज़ वेरी कॉमन इन नाउ डेज। हम ये नहीं कह सकते हैं कि हम योगा से इसको पूरी तरीके से क्योर कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हम इसको मैनेज कर सकते हैं कि ये प्रॉब्लम 10 से 20% पे ना जाए, 10% पे ही रहे। और अगर हम ये योगा कंटिन्यू करते हैं, कंसिस्टेंसी में लेके आते हैं कुछ आसन जो कि थायराइड से रिलेटेड है, थायराइड की प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करते हैं, तो हम इस प्रॉब्लम को 10% से 5% पे भी लेके आ सकते हैं। तो टुडे वी विल डू सम योगा आसन दैट विल हेल्प इन द थायराइड रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम। इसमें होता क्या है ना कि the pressure or the stretch should be here on this thyroid gland. So there are some yoga asana like bridge pose, ustrasana, camel pose. These are very helpful in this specific thyroid related problem. So let's get started. So सबसे पहला हमारा और सबसे important आसन जो होता है that is ustrasana. Very first we have to sit in Vajrasana like this, and then stand, और हमें we have to take back our head like this. And if you are not able to do like this, you can support your back with your hands. This. Move backward as much as you can and feel the stretch on thyroid glands, and you will feel relief instantly. You don't have to close your eyes, just open your eyes and look around. With open eyes, try to look more far. And if you are comfortable, then hold your ankle and hold here for 10 to 15 seconds. Breathe in, breathe out slowly. Now get back very slowly. Now back in the position of Vajrasana and relax your lower back. Next asana is Dhanushasana, bow pose. इस bow pose में भी the stretch will be here on thyroid glands. Lie down on your stomach, upward your legs and hold from here, and try to look forward and slowly lift your legs and your neck. It's okay if you are not able to lift your legs so much. Try to lift your neck and feel the stretch on your thyroid glands. Get back, wait for 1 to 2 seconds, and Relax. Next asana is cobra pose. Again, lie down on your stomach. Place your hands here if you are beginners and put pressure on your feet. Lift your upper back and your neck and look upward as much as you can. And if you are comfortable, then place your hand here. Now look upward. Don't close your eyes, just open your eyes. Do this and hold it 15 to 20 seconds. Count in your mind. So these three are basic yoga asana for thyroid problem. If you do this daily with consistency, I will promise that your thyroid problem will not be increased in future. It will be managed, and with time it will be reduced. And next asana is that is cat and cow. It is also beneficial and important with your lower back stiffness and lower back pain. Place your hands here, legs like this. Look upward and stretch your neck. Now, like this cat, this is cat position. Do this 10 to 15 times, and neck rotation is very important. Next is bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana. Hold your ankles, don't hold, just touch, and lift your hips and lower back and put all the pressure on your upper back and on your neck and look upward. This position stimulates the blood supply in your throat. And if you are comfortable, then hold your back and try to lift your back more and put all the pressure in your neck. This yoga asana is also important for your cervical veins, those having the cervical pain. Do this for 30 seconds and increase according to your strength. So this was today's session. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.